That little surface mount chip with 14 or so legs on it, maybe 16, is a PCM1755DBQ, and it is in the sound section of SAM CPUs, and it fails. So I have replaced it. Clearly this is a Rolling Stones.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Rolling Stones.
Well, there you have it.
Shoot the game.
So this is now repaired. Get ready. Brace yourself. Whoops. Okay. By replacing that pulse code modulator, tiny chip. Always fun to work on these tiny surface mount chips. Got a little flux to clean up on the lower side as you're viewing it, but she is good to go. Thanks for sending it.